gosh.
Wow, that.
The pursuit begins the moment the driver accelerates at maximum speed, ignoring signals and cutting through intersections with no regard for control or safety. The vehicle moves aggressively between lanes, forcing every second to become more unpredictable. Patrol units track the suspect with precision, adjusting their formation and maintaining pressure from multiple angles. The tension increases as the chase stretches over city streets not designed for this kind of speed. No negotiations, no pause, only momentum, risk, and a driver who refuses to yield. The road decides the end. At a sharp intersection, control is lost. The vehicle crashes violently, leaving a trail of wreckage and chaos. The suspect is finally subdued, bringing a dangerous chapter to a dramatic close. The streets of Fort Smith erupt as a white Ford Mustang suddenly speeds away from a routine traffic stop, blatantly ignoring every signal to pull over. Emergency lights flash, sirens scream, but the driver pushes the limits, weaving recklessly through congested streets and intersections. Officers coordinate tactical maneuvers to contain the Mustang, each turn and swerve raising the stakes. Traffic becomes chaotic, with near misses and heart-pounding moments as the chase escalates. Finally, with precise timing, the Mustang is forced to spin out during a pit maneuver, coming to a complete stop. The driver is apprehended, ending a relentless high-speed pursuit and proving once again that reckless driving has serious consequences.
West on service road, westbound.
New Year's Eve, 2024. More police spot a vehicle driven by a 35-year-old female, wanted on multiple felony warrants. The suspect refuses to stop, triggering a dangerous high-speed chase through the Oklahoma City area suburbs. This was a terrifying pursuit. The driver recklessly blew through red lights, smashing into oncoming vehicles and tearing through parking lots.
signal.
Clear. Tag 15, Zebra Tom, 858.
We're clear. Southbound on Walker. Southbound on Walker.
Clear, southbound Walker.
He's gonna come back northbound on Walker. Northbound.
Clear, northbound Walker.
Through the Casey's gas station parking lot. Now Johnny is still in the parking lot. Right there. Out to the service road.
Clear, you Tom.
Up the curve going back. West on 240. West on 240.
Get her now, Darwin. TBI now.
Still westbound on 240.
Clear.
I'm in a pursuit.
Still westbound, passing west, 240 westbound.
Clear, hopping left.
Westbound, passing in.
Clear.
Take speed, traffic conditions, please. Still light traffic for 240, we're about 280 mile an hour, still westbound.
TBI, crash, start medical. 240 and Bay, start medical.
Still westbound, passing western, 240 westbound.
Clear, passing western.
Westbound, passing in.
Clear.
The danger escalated rapidly. Officers knew they had to end this pursuit before an innocent civilian was seriously hurt. Near I-240 and Mayo, more police successfully execute a surprise traffic stop maneuver. The suspect's vehicle rolls onto its side, finally bringing the dangerous and erratic ride to a complete stop. The individual, who was later found to be carrying large quantities of fentanyl, meth, and heroin, was taken into custody without further incident. Remarkably, 0 officers or civilians were injured in this wild chase. Another high-risk individual is successfully taken off the streets. Follow us for the latest real-time police pursuit action.